Operation 4.0 online tutorials. Don't forget to subscribe, watch, share the link, and leave a comment in order for us to give you more. Today we want to look at how you can use your calculator to determine the determinant of a matrix. So I'm going to show you step by step on how you can use your calculator to find the determinant of a matrix. So as you can see, I have my calculator in front of me and it is on. So what I need to the first thing I need to do is to press the mode key on the calculator. So as you can see me do the mode key on the calculator, I have options that will pop up. So you need to select the option that shows you matrix. So on my calculator, it shows me the matrix is option 6. So I'll press 6 here so that I can select matrix. And they say matrix A, matrix B, matrix C. So the math just means matrix. So in that case, you can use any of them, whether matrix A, matrix B, or matrix C. So I in this video will use matrix A. So I have selected matrix A and it's asking me what the dimension is. Remember that you cannot find the determinant of a matrix when it is not a square matrix. A square matrix is when the number of rows is equal to the number of columns. So if I select option 3, for example, which is 3 by 1, I cannot find the determinant of that particular matrix. Alright, so I need to select what? A square matrix. So now in this video, we are finding determinant of a 3 by 3 matrix. So it is option 1 on my calculator. So I'm going to select option 1. Then it comes for me to enter. So I'm going to enter some matrices in this one in order to solve. So my matrix, I have 1, press equal to 2, press equal to 1, press equal to, I have 3, press equal to 0, 0, I have -1, I have 4, and 1. So I have successfully entered my matrix. So the matrix I'm dealing with is 1, 2, 1, 3, 0, 0, and -1, 4, 1. So after doing this, I have to press the AC button on the calculator. You can see that the way the calculator was when I turn it on is not the same again. Now there is a math be appearing at the top there. So the next thing to do is to press shift plus 4. So when you press your shift, you press 4. And when you look at some calculators may have the matrix somewhere. So you look for the number that is having the matrix on your calculator, press shift and you press that number and it will appear here. You have dim data, math A, math B, math C, math answer, det, and TRN. So now we want to find a determinant, and on my calculator the determinant is det. So I'll select option 7, which has det on it. Alright, so I'm going to select option 7 and it comes. So it's now asking you which matrix do you want to find determinant of. That's what that means. So I need to select the matrix I have entered, and the matrix I've entered is matrix A. So I have to press shift and 4 again and I'll select matrix A. So matrix A is option 3 here. I'll select 3. Then if it comes, I'll press equal to. So I have simply found the determinant of the matrix A, and it means that the determinant of matrix A is 6. If you use the manual method, you'll be able to find it. This will help you when you are solving using a determinant of a matrix to find other things. But refer to our video on how to use the manual methods to find determinants of a matrix. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, watch, share the link, and let's meet at the comment section. Bye bye.